Hey Alonso, we recently had a client reach out to us and ask how they could boost their browser security. I was wondering if you had any tips or tricks that you could share with us in order for them to do so.
Yeah, sure. So first thing I would recommend is to make sure that your browser is set to auto update. Should already be doing this by default, but it never hurts to check. This way, if there are any updates that do come through, they'll just be pushed down, and the next time you start the browser, it'll automatically update to the latest version. A couple of extensions you could use. One is the HTTPS Everywhere extension. This will force HTTPS 6 to be used on websites that do have it, which will also enhance security when visiting those sites. Another extension I would recommend is an ad blocker extension. My favorite one is uBlock Origin. This will not only stop annoying ads, but will also stop ads that kind of try to impersonate notifications to make you want to download or try to force you to download software that you don't need on your computer or to tell you nasty messages. But then again, you don't want to go overboard with too many extensions because this can start causing conflicts and also prevent other extensions from working correctly as well. So those are my tips to keep your browser secure.